In this video, I'll show you how to customize the HUD colors in Warframe. All you have to do is pause the game and access the settings. So click on Options, and then from here, select Accessibility. Now within the Accessibility, scroll down and find the Customize HUD Colors or Customize HUD Colors. Click on it, and then you should see a couple of available options. Now from here, this is the default, so you can choose a couple of presets. So click on the default option, and you should see a couple of presets. So you can choose on Neon, and you should see how it looks like. You can choose on Lotus, and see how it looks like. You can also choose Tenno, and all the other options that are currently available. Now additionally, you can customize them individually. So if you want to customize the health, you can simply choose a random color and you should see it appear on the right side. The same goes with the shields, and then the same goes with the overshield and all the other options that you'd like to customize for. Once you're done, click on apply the changes and the settings will be saved. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.